After you've done some browsing, you've looked at some of the video clips, I'd like you to choose which clips you think you might like to use for your video project. Keep in mind that you're not locked into these. If you choose them now, you might decide later not to use some of them, and that's okay. Or you might decide that you need to go back and get something, use it as excerpts from another one. So it's okay to go back and forth between these. But what I wanted to show you in this video is how to add clips to your own Google Drive. Right now they're in your teachers folder, but just with a couple simple steps you can actually store them in your Google Drive folder, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's say this is one of the ones you wanted to use. If you alt click or you do the just the two-finger tap on your keyboard, that's going to bring up a menu, and one of your options on here is to add to my drive. So just click that, and it's going to ask you to organize. So we're going to click organize. And in your drive, you're going to look for your digital literacy folder. Click the arrow next to that, and then choose the video mashup folder. Once there, you're going to click move here. So now you have put basically what is, I don't want to say it's a copy, but it's your ability to be able to view that particular clip from your own Google Drive, and you don't have to have the link to the teachers folder for this. So go ahead and add whichever other videos you've been thinking about. Remember, it's just alt click or the two-finger click on your trackpad and click add to my drive to store the clip in your Google Drive.